Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. Arm & Hammer makes their Simply Saline Nasal Mist. And I don't know about you, but every year I get really bad allergies, I get sinus problems, and so recently this was recommended to me as a great way to flush the sinuses out. And you can use this two ways. You can irrigate your sinuses, or you can simply put this nasal mist into your nose and it can help to clear out any debris or anything like that. And what I really like about this as well is that it is just a saline nasal mist. And you can use this as often as you need to. There's no steroids, it's preservative free. So this is a great option if you are also struggling with maybe a dry nose or just really need to flush out your sinuses in your nose, then I would highly recommend this. And it comes in a pack of 3. So this is an excellent quality product from a trusted brand, but that's just my point of view.